We will start our course with discussions about the fundamentals of the products that mitigate risk in trade, and we will look into real cases that I have collected through all my career by talking to financial institutions, corporates and legal firms. We will look into cases where something went wrong, and that will help participants to fully appreciate the complexity and understand the value of these products. The course is about energy, but all these products are truly universal, so it will be relevant to anyone who's trying to mitigate risks in trade.
What I really liked about this course is that Natalia really implements real-life examples and scenarios and doesn't just focus on textbook examples. I highly recommend this course. I recommend this course to senior executives who are experienced all the way down to those just entering the industry. Natalia is really good at explaining things at a basic level, but can also dive into the greater detail when you want to get experienced level executives on board as well.
The benefits of this course was to let me see the whole topic of trade finance and consolidate my knowledge. I would certainly recommend this course to anybody really from who is new to trade finance, or even like me who has had some practical knowledge of trade finance, who wants to increase his knowledge and fill in all the gaps of his knowledge.
I really strongly recommend this course because it sort of opens like your eyes in this on this sort of industry.
To be honest, I like everything. At the beginning from the teacher, like a lecture, and case studies and all the presentations, everything.